I got to ask you about AI. Is AI generated content going to kill my website's SEO?
It's not necessarily going to kill your website's SEO because it depends how you're using AI generated content. So if you're just, all right, so let's go back. Most people create AI generated content either through Bard or ChatGPT. Right now, it's mainly through ChatGPT. Or you're going to use a lot of other tools like the Ubersuggest AI Writer, which we have and a lot of others do. And a lot of us are just using APIs from ChatGPT, but we're modifying them to be SEO friendly or whatnot. Here's the thing. Their index is from 2021. It's not up to date. So if you have them create you a piece of content on, let's call it, why you should eat an apple a day, all right? There's probably a lot of articles. I'm actually going to Google why you should eat an apple a day. All right, so check this out. Right now on my screen, I'll actually share my screen because why not? If we're going to do this, let's just do it right. Look at this. There's 1 billion plus results right there. That's a lot. If I actually enable Ubersuggest, why you should eat apple a day, it's not that search, of a term out there. There's other terms that are a little bit more popular. Eating apple a day for a month. That's 260 searches, benefits of eating apple. All right. So there's not a ton of searches. Here's the top 10 results. Then you're going to page 2. Then you're going to page 3. No one really goes past page 3. So barely anyone searches for this term, but yet there's 1 billion results. All I'm getting at is Google's good at drowning out the noise. And what AI content's doing is it's creating a ton of generic copycat, where's Waldo type looking like content in which everything looks the same. There's nothing unique, new, or fresh. So is AI going to kill your SEO? Not necessarily. Is it going to get you a ton of traffic? Not really. What you need to do is if you want to use AI is have a human go in there and modify it. AI can help you start the writing process. You need a human to add their experience, their expertise, their authority, and their trust to make it stand out, make the article pop, so that way Google wants to rank it.
Love that. So what tools are you using? Like on my website, I'm using stuff like Yoast. I'm using the Google keyword ad tool to look at what the search inquiries use, like TubeBuddy, vidIQ. These are some of the tools I use to see like what keywords, how I want to start videos, what I want to start my post with. What's your favorite tool? I've also used this tool called askthepublic.com. You may have heard of it.
Yeah.
It's the public. Yeah, I may have heard of it. That's a pretty good one. What tools do you suggest to make sure that I can actually show up on page 1 of Google? Because I don't want to be one of those page 5. Page 5, there is no page 5. What tools can I use to hit top page of Google?
Answer the Public is a great one, but I'm biased because we own it. Ubersuggest is another one, again, biased because I own it. SEMrush is great. Ahrefs is great. Moz is good. There's a lot of tools out there. The problem isn't what tools you need. The issue is to do really well, you need amazing content, a great user experience, and you need backlinks. So our people aren't going to really link to you unless you have a great user experience and you have a great content. Great user experience you can solve over time. You just keep tweaking and adjusting based on where users have issues, making sure your site loads fast, things like that. Content, people are lazy and they don't want to write amazing content, or they want to write similar content to their competition, but nothing unique, new, and fresh. People don't want to read stuff that's already been regurgitated 1,000 times. They want to read stuff that's fresh and new. That's the struggle most people have when it comes to ranking well on Google.
Thanks for watching Mark Savant Media. Here we're going to help you create better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link, check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark Savant Media. Peace.